Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making these flower heels, and to make this DIY, here's what you need. Any shoes of your choice, faux flowers, and glue gun. So the first thing I'm going to do is detach the flowers. So after that, I'm going to attach it to the shoes, and I'm doing both shoes at the same time so it looks similar. So starting in bits, so whatever I do on one, I repeat that same thing on the other, so it's similar. So I'm basically just playing around with the flowers. As you can see, I put the pink in the middle. I'm just mix matching the colors. This is actually quite simple. It all depends on you and how you'd want it. So yeah, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.